Hi everyone and welcome. As you can see on the webcam, I have connected this A9G board with Raspberry Pi Pico W. Okay, and what we are going to do in this video, we are going to place a call from this A9G board using MicroPython programming of Raspberry Pi Pico W. So we are going to send the AT command from Raspberry Pi Pico W to this A9G board, and then after A9G board will call to that number. Okay, so previously we have created couple of videos regarding how to place a call from A9G board with different softwares. Okay, so we can place the call using Python, we can also place the call using Node-RED, we can also send AT command from AI Thinker serial tool to place a call. Okay, but now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to place a call using Raspberry Pi Pico W and the A9G board. So this two things, okay, Raspberry Pi Pico W and the A9G board is connected serially, and this Raspberry Pi Pico W will send AT command to this A9G board, and based on the AT command values, this A9G board will place a call to that particular number. Okay, so let's see how it can be done. And yeah, so we are going to cover this topic, how to place calls using Raspberry Pi Pico W and the A9G board. And here I have created a blog for you for step-by-step guide. What you need is Raspberry Pi Pico W, the A9G board, okay, and the SIM card. So I have attached the SIM card on the back side of the A9G board, and the SIM card is Airtel SIM card, okay. And yeah, USB cable for both the devices. So we are going to power up this A9G board using this micro USB cable, and we are going to program the Raspberry Pi using this micro USB cable. Okay, so we are not going to program A9G board via micro USB cable, we are going to just power up the A9G board from micro USB cable, and we are going to run MicroPython programming in Raspberry Pi Pico W via this blue micro USB cable. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. And yeah, how to set up your Raspberry Pi Pico W and the A9G board. So here you can see the wiring of this two device. So Raspberry Pi Pico W, you can see the end, I mean you can see the pin, okay, micro USB pin. So I have attached the first pin, okay, which is in the blue color, to the second pin of A9G board. Okay, here you can see, and I have attached the second pin of Raspberry Pi Pico W with green color to the first pin of A9G board. You can see here, okay, in the Raspberry Pi you can see the top side we have the micro USB port, and the A9G board you can see the bottom side we have the micro USB port. Okay, so this is how you can connect this two devices, A9G board and the Raspberry Pi Pico W. Okay, now you can open the Thorny MicroPython IDE to program your Raspberry Pi Pico W, and here I have provided the MicroPython code to send AT command from Raspberry Pi Pico W to this A9G board. So here is our Thorny. Okay, so first of all we have imported the necessary libraries, and then after we are using UART communication to connect with the A9G board. Okay, so this is the serial communication and Raspberry Pi is capable of it. And then after, this is the function to send AT command to the A9G board, and here is the function to make a call. Okay, so this function will create the AT command to make a call, and it will pass that AT command to this send AT command function, and this send AT command function will pass that AT command to the A9G board, and the A9G board will call to that number. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. So whenever we run the function make call, and we will provide the phone number, so it will create AT command, and then it will pass that AT command to this function, and this function will send AT command to the A9G board. Okay, and then after A9G board will call to that number, and here you have to provide your number on which you want to place a call. Okay, so I'm going to provide my number. Okay, and we are going to run the MicroPython script, and this Raspberry Pi Pico will send that command to the A9G board, and the A9G board will place a call to my number. You can see we have received the call, and here you can see call response and call placed to this number. Okay, you can see I am receiving the call. Okay, so this is how you can use Raspberry Pi Pico W to connect with A9G board, and then after You can send AT command to the A9G board to place a call, to send SMS, to send GPS coordinates, to connect with MQTT broker, to publish the message on the MQTT broker topic, to subscribe to MQTT broker topic, and to receive update from the MQTT broker topic. So everything is possible when you can connect your Raspberry Pi Pico W with the A9G board. Also, you can read Modbus serial data or Modbus TCP data in the Raspberry Pi Pico W, and then after you can use A9G board to turn on the GPRS connectivity to connect with the internet, and then after connect with the MQTT broker and publish the Modbus data on the MQTT topic, and from anywhere in the world you can receive that data, because A9G board is having a cellular connectivity. Okay, it doesn't support Wi-Fi, so you can use 2G internet to publish your MQTT data on the MQTT broker. Okay, so that is possible. So I hope this thing is useful, and I hope you understand that how to connect your A9G board with Raspberry Pi Pico W. So make sure that micro USB cable of the Raspberry Pi is on the top side and micro USB cable on the A9G board is the bottom side, and this is how you have to create your connection. And here you can see this is how I have created this connection. So this is the serial connection between Raspberry Pi Pico W and the A9G board. So I hope everything is clear and I have covered everything. You can understand the code by learning yourself. Also, I have explained the code in the brief, so you can try your own AT commands. Okay, and you can have response based on your AT commands. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can visit our website, and here you can find all the links to connect with me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. Okay, you can also send me a message on LinkedIn or email. So we have covered this topic in this video, and we are going to meet you in the next video. And in the next video, maybe we are going to cover either this two topic or either this two topic. I can say this topic is already covered in this section, but we will create a separate video for this too. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.